So today, one of my lifelong dreams is about to come true. That's right. I'm going to be making a grass sandal out of these dollar sandals. You may be wondering, what is a grass sandal? Well, it's grass on a sandal that you wear. So then you can impress all your friends when you walk on grass outside that it looks like you're walking barefoot, basically. And it is the strangest thing, but yes, I do like walking barefoot. It feels more comfortable than wearing shoes. I don't know why. I feel like I'm alone in this. Many people tell me, how can you walk outside with no shoes? I don't know. I was born this way, so yeah. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I have no idea how to make shoes or anything like that. I saw like one video of this person making shoes and that's about it. So I'm totally gonna wing it, and if I ruin these sandals, I don't really care. I'm gonna wear my grass sandals if it kills me. I'm gonna make them, I'm gonna wear them, I'm gonna love them, and you're gonna see me make them. Alright, so now they're starting to look more like sliders. And don't worry, this ugly piece is gonna get covered up real quick. So I'm just gonna open this up real quick. You know, on the label, it doesn't say how messy this gets.
¿Qué pasó?
Right now you're gonna have something really weird looking, but trust me, we need the burlap. Bam! So now my shoe looks something like this. And I know it's really weird, and why did I put burlap on top of the sole of the shoe? But now the moss will have something to cling on to. I was thinking of threading it through the burlap, but then I'm like, I want a $6 shoe, not the $25 one I saw on Amazon, okay? So I'm not doing that. We're just gonna use the good old hot glue gun, and that's what's happening. And then I left the sides open for hot glue to go all along there. Right, and I'm just gonna do that on the whole side. And on the other side. And that should help keep most of the grass in place. I mean, hey, I can already see some of it falling off as I walk, but so long as I get to live my dream for 6 seconds, I don't really care. Today, I walk on grass. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you later.